Do you enjoy playing off-road? Our venue has been fully upgraded, and the difficulty has greatly increased. As a seasoned off-road enthusiast, I have created an urban off-road obstacle course that simulates the road conditions encountered on the mountains. Our venue is open to the public. You can experience our steel tube vehicle. If you have your own car, you can come and experience it for free. If you are not confident in your off-road skills, you can come to our field to practice. We will organize outdoor experiences from time to time. Welcome everyone to join us.